Here, remember about shoulder level. We open 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, your movements should be more sharp than they are smooth. So you're going to move and freeze, move and freeze, move and freeze. 5, 6, 7, 8. They're quick and sharp, not strong. Quick. Okay? From here, we go 1, 2, right hand up. 4, as I push. 5, 6, 7. I toss and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 1, 6, 7, 8. Left hand up. 1, 2. Step back. 4. You're gonna pull and then block. 5. Block. Then you push her. 7, 8. Then I pull straight line. No move in the shoulder so she doesn't turn. 1, 2. Catch the other hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?